Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Tina Bobina Aquafina. Welcome back. We missed you over here. How are you guys doing today? Actually requested to me by a viewer. I don't even know if this has been done before, but I asked you guys on Twitter like if you guys have video requests, and someone requested this video, so shout out to you, girl. Before you watch this, take a guess which side is the products that I love and which ones I hate. Take a wild guess. But yeah, before we get started with this video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, as well as turn on your post notifications if you guys want to be notified every single time that I upload. It's the little bell button right next to the subscribe button. But also make sure you guys go ahead and check out all my other social media pages, which will be linked down below as well as on the screen somewhere. I finally got my Instagram back, you guys. If you didn't know, it was hacked for like 2 weeks. I couldn't get into my account, but I finally got it back. Thank God. So I'm definitely gonna be posting a lot on there to make up for my absence. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Hey guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this video. It may be a long one. I'm trying to make my videos a little bit shorter because they've been way too long lately. Like, shout out to you guys if you actually stick through them. But yeah, today we're going to be doing a half face of products that I love and half face using products that I hate, and I'm gonna kind of compare them. We'll see how this goes actually. Yeah, I'm really excited, so let's get started. So I'm actually just gonna get started on the eyes for today, and I'm gonna use the same eye base on both eyes just because I want to give them like a fair chance, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be using my favorite eye base ever. This is the P. Louise eye base in the shade, I always forget what it is. It's Rumor. And this is so bomb for your eyeshadow, you guys. If you haven't tried it, you fucking have to. Like, it seriously has changed my eyeshadow game so much. I'm like literally using it as concealer over here because my eye bags are fucking real today. Back on my bullshit with my sleeping schedule. I was really good last week because I was like jet lagged. I was waking up super early last week, but somehow we got back to waking up at 12 and 1, which sucks. I'm trying, okay? I'm just like not a morning person. Maybe I should just stop trying at this point. I like make myself feel guilty when I wake up late, literally. But yeah, I'm gonna start off on the side of products that I hate. So I hate doing videos like this. Like, I never like giving bad reviews, but like every brand has their hits and misses. Anyways, the eyeshadows that I don't really love are from Too Faced. I've never really been a fan of their formula. I don't know why. I feel like I just never reached for their eyeshadow palettes or anything like that. I feel like they're just kind of like drier formulas and they're not as like pigmented, and the mattes are kind of like chalky, and I feel like it takes a lot more building to get them to where I want them to be. So yeah, that's pretty much why I don't really like their eyeshadows that much. I just never really reach for them. So the palette that I'm first gonna be using is this one. This is their Clover palette. Yeah, this one has like, this actually has some really nice pops of color in here, so this is probably like my favorite Too Faced palette. Actually, I'm just gonna start off using this shade. This is Peachy Punch from their Just Peachy matte palette. This is gonna be a transition color. Also, you guys, maybe I'm gonna like change my mind with some of these products in this video. That's why I like filming these, because you never really know what you're gonna end up changing your mind about. It's always good to keep a fresh, open mind when it comes to makeup, you know? I'm just grabbing a little bit of the shade Good Boy in the Clover palette, and I'm gonna use this kind of above this shade just to kind of make it look a little bit more orange. This is a weird ass fucking eyeshadow name. I just like took a moment of silence to be like, what the fuck? This shade is called Daddies Love Me. Whatever, let's just put this on my eye. It's this color. No. Oh fuck, some of these have like a little bit of shimmer to it. See, you guys know I fucking hate when eyeshadows have like a little bit of glitter in it. I just don't see the point. Like, why would you make a matte shade and then just like throw in a little bit of glitter? Like, you do realize you're like ruining the shade, right? Like, come on. Anyways, moving on to the lid shade. I'm gonna be taking this shade from the Clover palette as well. This one is Spoiled. It's like a blue shimmer shade for the lid. Where's my brush? It's just going all over the lid. Ooh, that's actually really fucking nice. I didn't even wet my brush. And I'm also just gonna take a little bit of this color right here. This one is called Puppy Eyes, and I'm just gonna take that on like the inner part of the lid. I just want to lighten this shade up a little bit. Just on the inner corner, so it kind of creates like an ombre. Okay guys, so moving on to the side of products that I love. I actually have a few palettes that I'm gonna use because I picked out the palettes that I don't like, and now I have to like match it with like, you know, So I'm gonna be using a lot of different palettes just to create like the same look, you know what I mean? So the first one I'm gonna use is the P. Louise palette. The palettes I'm using on this side are palettes that I've been loving lately. Like these have been my go-to as of right now. Like they're in my makeup bag. I always fucking use them, especially my last couple of videos you guys probably noticed as well. I'm first just gonna go in with the shade P. Louise right here as my transition. Okay, and then I'm just grabbing the shade Martini right here. It's like a cranberry color. And this is gonna go in my crease as well, of course. Hello. And then I'm grabbing the shade Contour right here, which is like a deep purple color. And this is going in the outer V, like it is kind of over here. I created like a very dramatic outer V. You guys, I'm already fucking loving this side so much more just because the colors are more vibrant. Okay, and for the lid shade on this eye, I'm using this Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette in this shade. This is actually one of their holiday ones. And this is the shade Ice Blue, which, like, come on, I didn't even wet it or anything. Like, look at that. It's literally insane. I feel like they're worth the price. If you're gonna get anything from Natasha Denona, get their shimmer shades because they're literally like the best shimmer formula I've ever used. Like, they're just so shimmery and so pretty. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the face now. So on the side that I don't like, I'm using this Kogan Dough Aqua Foundation, and I know this has been hyped up for so long, but when I got this and I tried it out, I honestly like tried to like it, but I did not like this. The reason I don't like this is because it doesn't have enough coverage for me, and I feel like it's just too lightweight, and I know that's like kind of the point of it, is it's supposed to be light coverage and like lightweight and all that, but I just am not a fan of this. I feel like the coverage is just not enough for me. Just didn't like how it like wore throughout the day either, but maybe my opinion will change today because honestly it doesn't look like the coverage is that bad right now, so I'm kind of questioning like my decision on not liking this. So for the side of products that I do really love, I will always, this is always gonna be my ride or die, okay? This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation. You guys, this is always my go-to foundation. It lasts so long on me. The coverage is amazing. Also, a little bit of this goes a really long way when it comes to the coverage. I always get creases in my smile lines, but with this foundation, I feel like I get an extra like couple of hours before I start getting that creasing, which is fucking amazing because with me there's like no avoiding that. It just always happens with me. So for the concealer on the side of products that I hate, I really did not like this concealer, you guys. This is the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. The reason that I don't like this is because it creases really quickly on me, like especially under my eyes. I get creases like literally 5 minutes after I set it. I get creases. It is not the best like long wearing concealer, but the concealer that I love, I'm sure you guys can guess, is the Tarte Shape Tape. This does not fucking crease on me. It is so full coverage. You guys already knew I was gonna pick this one. Like, come on, I don't know, this has just always been my baby. Okay, you guys know I love this concealer so much. Okay guys, so for cream contour, on the side that I hate, I never really liked the Anastasia cream contour or like highlighters, but yeah, they're super hard to blend and I feel like they're just too dry. Like you can see that literally just blended into nothing. Where the fuck did it go? Where'd it go? Let me know. On the side that I love, you guys know I love this bronzer slash contour. This is the Nail Tan de Soleil. I know it's a bit on the pricey side, but this is so worth it. Like it's just so good. I guess it blends so easily. The color is like perfect. I love this. Like I don't even care that it's like $100. Like it's so worth it. I fucking love this. Okay guys, so moving on to powder. The powder that I didn't really like is the Huda Beauty baking powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and bake my under eyes with this. I'm actually not baking, I'm just like pressing it into the skin. You guys know how I do this. Hold the fuck up. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my god. Why didn't I like this? I forget. I'm getting like my up close mirror, like trying to fucking remember. Maybe it didn't like wear on me, or maybe I got like oily throughout. I don't remember. Maybe I just got like oily throughout the day with this. I honestly don't fucking remember, but I guess we'll see. Okay, you know what? Let's just move on to the side that I don't like, and maybe we'll see like what happens with this, because probably something ended up happening, which is why I didn't like it and didn't end up using it again. Or my opinion will change and I'll end up liking it. You never know. Moving on to this side, I'm using this Milk Makeup Blurring Setting Powder, and I tried this out in one of my last videos, you guys, and I am so obsessed with this powder. It looks amazing in photos. I actually wore this throughout the tour. I went on tour with Daisy this weekend. We did the Brooklyn show and the Chicago show, and you guys, this looks so amazing in photos. Like, I was taking pictures all day and my skin just looks super blurred out and flawless. Like, if you guys are going to be taking pictures, definitely try out this powder because it literally blurs out everything in photos. Like, it looks so good. Guys, I remember why I don't like that powder. It's because it washed me out in photos. It wasn't like, it was kind of like flashback, but in a weird way. Like, it wasn't like, oh, my face is like white, but it did wash me out with like photos. It made my skin look really weird. I don't know why. So for my bronzer, I've actually talked about not liking this bronzer for like a while. This is the Benefit Hoola bronzer. The reason I don't like this is because it looks kind of muddy on me and I don't really see the hype toward it. It's just not my favorite, to be honest with you. It's just not like warm enough for me. So onto the side that I do like, I'm using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This will always be, oh my god, there's literally an eyelash on that. That's so gross. Moving on. Yeah, I just love this bronzer. This will always be like one of my go-to favorites just because it's perfect for my skin tone. It blends flawlessly on me. Moving on to highlighter. The highlighter that I honestly never really saw like the hype about was the Becca highlighters. I don't know, don't come for me, okay? I feel like it's more of just like a preference kind of thing. Like, I like my highlighters to look really wet and glazed. I'm using the shade Moonstone. Also, I just never reach for these either. So on the other side, I'm using the Anastasia Reezy highlighter, which is my all-time fucking favorite. I can't stop using this. It's just so bomb. It's so bright and glazed and beautiful. I fucking love this. Okay guys, so I'm just going to quickly do my lower lash line for each eye off camera and I'll be right back to finish up the look. Okay. So on to lips. The lipsticks that I never really liked are Kylie Cosmetics, and the reason that I don't like them is because I don't know if it's me, but they never last on me. Like, they always crumble off. I feel like the way they wear is so ugly. Like, I would never wear these out in public or like wear them out to eat or anything just because they wear so badly. Like, unless you have like lip filler or something and you don't have like natural creases in your lips, these are not going to work for you. They're going to emphasize your lip wrinkles and shit. Like, they're literally just gonna emphasize like the dryness in your lips. They smell really good, like, I'll give them that, but whenever I use them, fuck, how did I get mascara right here? Like, they're way too thick, which is the reason why they crumble like that. For the side that I love, you guys know this is my favorite lipstick of all time. This is the Makeup Forever 101 liquid lipstick. I don't know why more people don't talk about this formula. It's so good. Like, it wears amazing on me. It lasts super long. It doesn't crumble. It doesn't dry too matte to where my lips look gross. Like, I just love this formula so much. Oh my god, this is the struggle right now. I can't even fucking line my lips properly because I have to split it down the middle. So that is pretty much it for this video. You guys definitely let me know which side you think looks better. Honestly though, I feel like I changed my mind about a few of these products. Number one, this foundation, I don't know what it was when I first tried it out and started using it with the coverage, but the coverage was fine today, so I don't really know about that. Beauty powder also is pretty nice. I just wouldn't take photos with it. Like I said, it doesn't really look that great in photography. It kind of washed me out, made my makeup look muddy. But yeah, I'm glad I retried this because I actually really like it now. Awesome, cool. With this eyeshadow palette, it still is really pretty, but just like side by side just aren't vibrant enough. So definitely comment down below which side you guys like better. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. Make sure you guys also go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and also turn on your post notifications if you guys want to be notified every single time that I upload. So go check out all my other social media pages. I finally got my Instagram back, you guys. After 2 weeks, I got it back. So make sure you guys go follow me on there. I'm gonna be posting a lot, obviously, to make up for my absence. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.